Isn't this great working remote today?
It is.
I love our job.
It's the best thing ever.
It really is. And Edgewater is just an amazing park.
I can't get over the views and all of the amenities that this park has to offer.
I know. We really got lucky today, too. I mean, we're in September right now, and we're still enjoying the beach.
Amen.
Yeah, and we're still selling real estate at the same time.
We are. Hey, don't you have a listing coming up in the area?
I do. Edgewater condo, actually.
Ooh, do tell.
Okay, so it's got a pool. It's fully furnished. It's really nice. 1-bedroom condo. You can use it as an investment property, or you can move right in and come enjoy the beach like we are doing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You guys want to go check it out?
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right,
Let's do it.
Let's do it.